Hey there, Manish here. I'm your automation guy for Monday.com for integration as well as all the Monday implementation in terms of CRM, in terms of any project management tool or any other variety of work you wanted to do with Monday. Now, I possess good amount of experience and skills for Monday.com. I know how to establish Monday.com boards as well as I can integrate it with a wide range of third-party applications using Make.com, using Zapier, plus any sort of Python or JavaScript based code. Now, coming to Monday inbuilt automations, there are plenty of good features or facilities available inside Monday where we can build these smart workflows within Monday boards. If something happens, then the other things can also be done through. So I'm quickly going to walk you through my experience, my expertise on Monday, what kind of projects I delivered, and then let's check out how can I add value to your projects. So this is one of the client board where I implemented the entire e-commerce company which is selling stuff in USA, and they wanted to manage everything on Monday board. So right from all the product management, all their accounting management, operations, customer services, as well as warranty, purchasing, and everything. So over here, this is one of the board I created for purchase order management. And this PO management board has like almost everything. What are the open POs? What is the status? Whether they are fulfilled or not, the supply status, as well as the invoice status. Along with that, I also implemented the webhook kind of applications. These are custom app available on Monday marketplace, and they are like directly integrated inside Monday, so one board status gets updated into other boards. Now this is one part. Secondly, I have built many automation on the Monday board as well, so using Monday applications. So these are basic Monday workflows. So when item status get changed, it's getting updated any other item or in the board item, as well as in case if we have to send out the Monday item data outside to any aggregator or to any API, we can use send a webhook module. So this send out the entire data of a particular value of a particular thing. So this sends out entire data of a particular item to a webhook or to any API endpoint. Apart from this, I built automation around the warranty management. So if there is a client claim coming in from warranty, then this particular business is also handling it during the Monday board. So what are the warranty status, whether the supplier is agreeing on the warranty or not. So it's handling both the part of claims coming from the end customer, and these are being communicated or sent out to the vendor as well. Plus again, couple of dashboards and couple of different views. Over here, I implemented the Monday CRM. So this particular client coming from Brazil, and he wanted to manage everything on Monday. So right from lead management, all the prospect which are coming from different sources, as well as account management, active deals, shipments, and all other things. So these kind of dashboards can also be created where we can see the Monday deal status, where the leads are coming from. When the prospects are coming on a call, they wanted like they are kind of a hot lead. So we are managing completely everything on Monday calendar as well. So this is some basics. Now coming back to the Monday automations. Now coming to the Monday.com automations. So here we are using Make.com. Make is one of the platform which can be used for any sort of API-based integration or business workflow automation. So here I connected Monday with a wide range of different applications with like instantly, as well as when some events are happening on the marketing campaigns, the Monday board is getting updated, all the items getting updated. Plus, it is also sending out data to instantly to ChatGPT to assess the replies, and finally to Outlook based email altogether. Along with that, I also built a couple of automations using Monday for real-time reporting on any BI tool. So this particular automation is sending data on a frequency of 15 minutes every time to a Power BI and Zoho Analytics. So here you see the Monday.com data is getting updated into Zoho Analytics over here using Make.com, and all these iterators, different data formattings are also handled over here. Now, apart from this, this is a warranty management or warranty claim management stuff. So where Monday board is used as the backend for all the warranties claim capture, and the data is coming from a front end web service. So that is being checked into Monday board. And finally, this is sending out the confirmation that the product is in warranty or not. Here's another example of the Gmail. So Monday board is sending out a couple of events update, and then the data is getting floated into Gmail. So on the various Gmails based upon different conditions and things. And finally, this is one of the example of Zapier based Monday automation. So Monday item is getting updated, and it is sending out data to Google Drive, to Trello, as well as Shopify and the MailerLite. So yeah, these kind of automations can be built. I would like to quickly brief about myself now. So my name is Manish, and I'm a make no code low code automation expert. I'm a Zapier expert, as well as I'm a Monday expert, and I built like hundreds of scenarios, hundreds of automation on Monday.com, plus all type of integrations as well. So I can assist you with my skills, a wide range of understanding of business process, as well as Monday setup, and the automation part. So I'm a top rated talent on Upwork as well. So I would like to connect with you and explore how I can assist you in your project. Thank you very much. Good day. Bye.